Welcome to the guided tutorial on using the Fun Plus device by Yantari Scent. An example video will be reproduced below showing the steps to follow to properly charge the device with the fragrance. In the second part of the video, instructions on using the Yantari Scent app and how to connect to the device will follow. Enjoy the video. Second part of the video, Guide to using the Yantari Scent app and device settings. Follow the instructions given in the tutorial. All steps will be shown, step by step. Let's start together. Search and download the Yantari Scent app on Google Play or App Store. Once the app is properly opened, it is necessary to activate Bluetooth and select the specific option displayed on the screen. It will now appear a list of devices. Select in the screen the device you want to activate, and once connected, you will hear a sound. In the input bar, type the password 8888. Don't forget to check the Remember Password option so you won't have any more problems with logging in. Please log in. You have now entered the device profile, and this is where you will find the general settings. You can start with the calibration option by pressing on the specific section. This is used to indicate the correct amount of fragrance within the device. If, for example, you fill the whole bottle, the value to be entered is 850 milliliters. You can also assign a specific location to your device so you can easily recognize and control it. Proceed to the period setting located at the bottom of the main screen. Here you will find all the options regarding weekly usage, working hours, and customizations to set the device to your liking. You can choose the days of the week on which you want the device to work by pressing on the various windows referring to specific days. You can also set the working time of the device by choosing the timing schedule you prefer. There is a start and stop work option. Finally, you can choose the intensity level for the fragrance diffusion, and you can set the pause times from the device's work. This option allows you to manually stagger the working time of the device. Now your device is ready to work. You do not need to manage any other settings, and you can start diffusing the fragrance. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope everything was simple and clear.